Hi there. Well, we're rained off at farming on 15 degrees today. It's been raining all morning, so I decided I was going to do some more baking and baking lemon tarts because I've got so many lemons, and we were harvesting lemons last week. We got 40 kilos, so I actually gave a lot of the produce to my next door neighbour's children, and they made a lemonade stand, and I absolutely love that, seeing people just turn up, buying lemons, drinking lemonade. Yeah, it was quite magical. So my taste tester is going to be Ginger. Now, Ginger's fast asleep. He likes to lay down during the day just to relax. He goes out in the morning for a good walk and a good dig. So he can test my lemon tart now. Not bad. Made freshly. Are we doing Ginger? So Ginger's a full-size pig now. I don't think he's going to grow any more. He's very friendly and he loves anything different to his meal. So I thought I'd just show you a pig in a lemon tart. Oh yeah. Quite quick. You like it? Nice. 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 Likes it? Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.